I have 3 kilo of organic goose, black pepper, garlic, thyme, and marjoram. And let's go. Turn goose. And all these ingredients goes inside the goose, black pepper, next I will pre-cut oranges, apples, best to use sour apples to give goose very nice flavor. I have half a cup of cranberry jelly, 2 tablespoons of honey, perfect, and half a cup of red wine, and just combine these ingredients together. Next I will pour this to goose, and next we can insert all these fruits, apples, lemons, perfect. I use the large roasting pan, the goose, you can see, oranges, and I will pour a little bit water. Now I'm pouring 1 cup of water on the bottom of roasting pan. Now I will cover with the lid. I will roast goose in temperature 400 degrees. And 1 hour later I will pour goose juice over meat. 2 hours later pour juice over the goose. The goose is done. It's beautiful. I will take goose from roasting pan. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. This is my proposition for dinner. Potato with butter and dill, and red cabbage salad, goose,